been one hell of an experience. Yeah, I'd do it again. I'll do it next year probably as well.
It's been absolutely gorgeous, and I can't believe there's so many people. It's growing every year.
I believe in what they're trying to do. I believe the Lessons for Life is a program that many people can get on board with.
Liberty Global is a great client of ours, but they've obviously got a great, they're putting some great support for a great charity.
Just by seeing, the need and then seeing how much money that we can raise here is helping kids, learn and go to school is really tremendous.
It's all for a great cause. I mean, education is so important to change the lives of individuals and also to change the world and make a difference.